Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can configure the email in Keycloak. So if you are eager in this topic, please stay with me until end. Let's get started. First, you would need to connect to the Keycloak. So you would have the one credential and then sign into your Keycloak. Then you would need to go to the user part, and the user which is going to have the we can say the admin user, it should have the one uh, email address which are you going to configure in your Keycloak. So in my case, I configured this email. I made this email for purpose of the demo. So you can also make whatever or server which you have. So that user, first you need to make sure you already insert the email for that specific user which is going to be used as an admin user for that realm. Then you will need to go to the realm setting and go to the email part and drop the host name of the dead email. In my case, it was Gmail, so it's smtp.gmail.com. So if you are using other server, that definitely would change. And also, you would need to insert the port number, which is for the TLS port number. This is for the security part. And you would need also drop the display name. This name will be shown at the top of the email which when you are sending any email from the Keycloak. And at the end, you need to write the one email which is going to be configured in the Keycloak, and from this email it will send the notification to the rest of the users. So this is also it's important. And also that reply to display name, you can drop the whatever name you want, but it's not mandatory. Also, you can keep it as empty, but this is for when the user wants to reply on that one, then this name will be shown at top of that, or we can say that the recipient. And also that there is the location for reply. You can also drop another email which is different than the from email, and the user, when they want to answer to that email, can respond on that email address. So also can be dissimilar, but it is not also mandatory. You can keep it as empty if you don't need it. The same for envelope from, also it's optional. And you need to definitely for the servers, the SSL, it should be for security. You need to activate this SSL. And also if you need the TLS, then you can keep it as on, but for my case, I don't need it, so just keep it off, just only the SSL. And enable authentication. This part is asking, okay, this user need to have the credential as a username and a password. So if you have the Gmail, there is a place you can create the one password for a specific external app, which could be whatever, like a Keycloak and some third-party software. So Gmail has this option. You can generate, or we can say to create that password and drop that password here. If you are interested in that topic, please write in the comments of this tutorial. Then I will make another video about that, how you can capture that password. Then after you configured all these parts, then you would need to save it. And when everything is okay and you insert completely, then you just you can, for the test, click on the test connection, and when you are click on the test connection, it goes to the loading, and then it will give you one message, okay, success. And if it's failed, definitely it will drop the one notification at top of that as a red one, which is failed, and also that's the message. So let's jump to the email part. As you can see here, now I received the one notification. So I will open this notification, and you can see now this is the email from the Keycloak for SMT test message, and this is the content which I customized this text. And also there is the one signature, the logo, which I dropped it here in this template of the email. So you can customize this message and also customize this logo. You can make the one template. So if you are eager to know about that, please watch my next video about this tutorial. I will explain to you how you can customize this template of the email. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in next one.